Hello everyone, this is Suresh here. Uh, Thanks for joining again for this another session in Google Cloud. So in this Google Cloud, we'll see the lab of how to extracting text from images using Google Cloud Vision API. So without any delay, let me start the lab. So in this lab, we are only going to complete the tasks provided in the right side. Uh, at any point, you can pause the video and go through the uh, learning objectives and the overviews. So in this learning objective, we are going to write and deploy several background cloud functions, upload images to the cloud storage, extract, translate, and save text contained in uploaded images. So without any delay, let me open the Google Lab. Password. Terms of service, then continue. So this setup is done. So let's activate the Cloud Shell as well. So you can see on the top right, Cloud Shell activated. Continue. So let me open it in a new window so that it will be more clearer to see. So let's authorize the list first. We have authorized the student. Let's authorize the project as well. Let's configure the project as well. So project is also successfully configured. Now let's visualize this flow of data. So the flow of data is like we wanted to visualize this, but this is what the steps we are going to. Okay. So what I suggest is to pause the video for now and then go through the text here, what we are planning to. So this is the image, Vision API, storage, and cloud functions, images, PubSub, and step 4, cloud functions, step 5, cloud functions, PubSub, and this is the translation, and finally storage is some. So recommend you to pause the video and go to the step 1 to step 7 on it at your own convenient time. So let me move on to the preparing. Let me copy this code. Before this, we'll create a bucket. Let's see whether the bucket is already created for me or not. So close the stock shell, cloud storage, buckets. I don't see any buckets. Whether be the below script. Okay, let me create a bucket from here. So that is what here. So my bucket name. This is the project ID. Let me copy the project ID here. Here, let me change the bucket name as and also change around convention image bucket underscore. So this is going to create a image bucket with labs location US Eastern. So that one you can double verify this in this location you can see. You can create a bucket over it. Moving on to the next step, copy the below script, paste before hitting enter the result bucket. Same way, let me create another bucket and also let me create the result bucket. Okay, and the project ID here. This enter. This is going to create a result bucket. So double verify, cross verify. You can see the result is also created. So now let's check the progress. So in the Cloud Shell, let me create a PubSub topic saying that create topic my lab topic underscore one. Just a so created a topic and similarly results topic. Let's wait for this to complete. Let's say whether we will be able to see here topics. The topic is created. You can see my lab topic one. Similarly, we'll create another topic by name called my lab result topic one. So these are the two topics we created. Let's try to refresh here and see whether the second topic is created. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Topic is created here. Just to cross check here. Yeah, my lab result topic is created. Now let's check the progress. Let's clone this sample repository from here. Edit here. In the meantime, you can see that it is getting cloned here. Clone is successful. Change directory to cd python. So let me change the directory as well. The directory is also changed. Folder consists of main py, some other information. So let's see where we got. Yeah, you can see main py distance. Yeah, you open folder here as well. Yeah, so here we can see all these files. Whichever we downloaded it, we can see that file as well. So let's navigate to this location, cd python docs and python docs samples, and inside this functions, and inside the functions, call it OCR, OCR app. See, you can see this files as well. The same files is reported over. Okay, next, moving on. Let's look at the main dot bit closer. Okay, let's open this main dot file. So let's understand the code here. So in the main, we have some imports packages has been imported, and we have some variables. The environment is set. Function processing images, define process image. You can see the same over here. Start function is here. Detect text. Okay. What else? Validate message. Saving the result. Now process image. We can see, as I mentioned earlier, you pause the video and understand the code. So we have a detect text code, or else if you download it to your local also, you'll be able to see the code. First is detect text, validate line number 96, validate message, process image line number 123. So that is what the process image is saying. This is the same code provided over here. And detect text, we already saw that in the top. Translate text and save the translations. Now this for translate text and save result. Now let's deploy the function. In this task, display how to enter the command below to fetch the project details to grant publish. Okay, this is the command. So let's copy this. Paste it over in the command window. Click enter. Your active configuration is session, and you can see all the roles has been assigned. So if you want to understand more, you can see the project ID and the project number. We got it through the project ID format and service account. And in moving on IAM policy binding, basically we are updating the IAM policy for the service account as PubSub publisher. To deploy the image, the code run the following command contains the sample. Replace the your bucket name GCP project ID. Okay, so what we'll do is copy this code. We create a sample text file. The block this I don't need this. Okay, here in Google Cloud, your image bucket name. So we already know that image bucket name means this. And project number, we received it here. Your GCP project ID. So we should have this project ID in the dashboard. Let's see, let's navigate that. project. Okay, project ID. They didn't ask for project ID is looking good. And topic names. So let me go here. Let me start the first topic. Second topic as well. Okay, and now let's see whether this works correctly or not. Let me copy this, paste it as a command over here, and hit enter. I don't see any errors as of now. So let me wait for a few more seconds. So what it is doing is it's doing for the Google functions deploy was here extra. Let's see whether I can get all functions over here. Okay, yeah, for my validation failed to trigger projects. Location civil was here invalid, permission denied. If you are currently started event track, it may 2 minutes before all necessary functions are reached. Otherwise, verify even even our service agent role. Okay, so this is my service account, image bucket. Double check this. So image, project ID, translation topic, present topic. Four things we have changed. If you get any while deploying function, wait for 2 to 3 minutes and rerun the command. Let's do the same. May rerun. So let me wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then rerun it again. So I will pause the video from now. This time it worked because first time we got the error, and after the second time you can see it is the preparing the function and build is in progress. You can see the progress in the below. This needed logs are available. Okay, let's see whether the logs load bit. Yeah, here we have the logs. Okay, checking in compatible downloading. See if the thing is happening in the Google. Let me, not sure how long will it take for your thing to get finished. Build is okay. Service trigger. Event trigger. Artifact registry done. Okay. There is some information available for us. Let's go to the minutes. Let's see what it is. Function in the cloud console. Okay, let's see. We have the function. We have the OCR extract as a function name and update policy. Everything is called triggered event track, all the information and the state is active as well. URL for our this is what we have. Okay. Now, start the next step. Let's check the progress. It's good. You deploy the text translation function in the browser. Oh God. Again, I have to update this translation. Okay. So let me take another pad. This time let me open them on some translation topic. Okay. Project number, it will be unauthenticated. Your project ID is here. Result topic. Go to the topics. Let me select this. Copy. Okay. Hope looks good. So let me go to the cloud shell, paste the command, and select enter. Press enter. Okay. So let's wait for the function to deploy in OCR translate. So OCR translate is getting deployed. You can see it over here. And as usual, if you want to see the builds, maybe you can go back to the builds and check for the history of second one. Okay, so first build is about 39 seconds. This is the build number. You can see the another cloud shell is getting built and released. So let's wait for this to get completed. In the meantime, now the last one is the OCR 0. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is also looks good. Let's see OCR extract. Now you can see the OCR translate also. We have deployed it. Now going back to our task, let's check the progress. It's also successful. So let me copy the OCR save, this one. Let me copy the code, go to the online notepad, Just to put here, everything is looking good. Result topic name. So this is my result topic. I'm just directly taking it from here and just and the project. Good. And the result bucket. Let me go back to my image bucket here. Result bucket. Going back to my normal workpad. Result bucket image. Update. So looks good. So let me copy this command. Go to Cloud Shell. Paste it over here. Hit enter. So this will take few more minutes. Few more minutes, around like 1 minute. So let's wait. And if you are interested in the meantime, we can go to the either build details to check on the builds, and also you can see the build is the third trigger is created for OCR save. Also you can see whether the cloud function, you can see whether the OCR save is getting deployed. Once this is done, let's check the progress. You can see in the build history whether this is completed. So let's wait for the status. This is also completed. So looks good. So let's see our OCR extract save is also completed. So if I do refresh, if you want, you can go ahead and see it in the browser. Now active, everything is looks good. Yeah, OCR save is also done. Now let's check the progress. Looks good. Now let's go to the project. Go to the Cloud Shell. Load the file. Now you can see the menu.jpg is the file. So this is the JPG menu. Got downloaded just now. Now let's upload this image. .jpg. Okay. So copy this over here. Where you can see .jpg. Bucket name is this. That is this. This is the image. Basically, we are uploading this menu.jpg to this. Out, out shell. Enter. Oh, upload is complete. So you can view the saved translations in the cloud storage bucket we used. So let's see the logs. Limiting to 100. Okay. listed zero items. Was allowed to be sure executed have completed. You can view the saved translation simple cloud storage. Okay, let's see here whether this got uploaded or not first thing. Yeah, menu.jpg, it's already uploaded here. And going back to the results, we have some text over here, which was hmm, question is this cloud function now why is it listed as zero items? Sure. But the action is happened because you can see there are some lists and English, France, all the translations happen. You remember the code here? Let me show you the code as well. Online notepad, translate text, correct? Process image, translate text. In the translate text, you can see language, file name language. So let's click on the progress. So this is also successful. Okay, there are no logs actually. That is zero. That is the reason it is showing now. Before deleting this, out of curious, let's check where is that languages are now specified. Here we can see there are some languages specified. Show you that as well. It's now somewhere in the functions saying that different types of languages was given as Indian. Maybe I missed out. Somewhere in the functions, I definitely saw that there are four languages has been provided. So based on that languages, this was been somewhere in the code. Yeah, here you go. Found it. Two languages, English, Spanish, France, and I think Japanese, JE. These are the four languages that was. And also we have received the same four languages in the results. So English, Spanish, France, Japanese. Let's create. So you can download and check. So this concludes our session. So now before concluding task 6, let's go ahead and delete all the functions. Shall let me close everything. Don't need this, we don't need this. We keep the dashboard alone, but we don't need the dashboard anyway. So PCR extract, delete the function, delete, deleting the function overshare translate. But why this is quick labs is not cooked? This is in Central. Okay, US Central. Why this is given as US Central? But I wanted in the US East one. We created in the US East one, but by default it is taking in the US Central. Either we can delete. Not sure whether this command works. Let's try. Yes, this command working. So I have added the region as US East one. That is deleted. Translate is getting deleted. And finally, save is getting deleted. Okay, so this concludes our session. Finish this as well. Right, and in the lab. This concludes our lab, and we have 100 by 100.